Hi and welcome back to my channel. Alright, in this video we'll be going over this example here. When you're given a question, given some numbers with different conditions. Alright, the question says using digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 without repetition, find the number of distinct 4-digit number that can be formed for each of the following conditions. So the first condition is a number greater than 3000. Alright, so I'm going to be using boxes to represent each digit of the number. Now we're looking for a 4-digit number. Now the question says the conditions we have is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now it says that this number must be greater than 3000. Now if it must be greater than 3000, so 1 and 2 cannot start such number. Now if 1 and 2 cannot start, that means any of these remaining ones can start. So we'll go to the first box. Let's look at how many numbers we have. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 numbers to pick from. Now once we pick out one from these 5 numbers, any other number can follow. So when we take out one, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 minus 1. Now we have 6 left. Now after that, we've used 2 out of 7, so we have 5 left. Now we've used 3 out of 7, we have 4 left. So with this, what we're going to be doing is to bring them out. 5 times 6 times 5 times 4. Now 5 times 5 will give you 25. 25 times 4, that's 100. 100 times 6, that will give you 600. So we have 600 numbers greater than 3000 that can be formed from this set of numbers. Okay, the second question says it says an even number. Now for us to form an even number, now the condition for even means that the number must end with either 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. So let's pick out how many even numbers we have in this question. Now we have 3 even numbers. So these 3 even numbers, they are the only things that could fill up this last box. So picking any one, we have 3 numbers to fill. Now remember the condition. The original condition is that the number, okay, there is no condition here, just even number. So after filling this last box, anyone can start. So now we have 6 numbers left here, and then we've used 2, we have 5 left, and now we have 4 left. So we're going to bring out the numbers. So we're going to have 6 times 5 times 4 times 3. Alright, so 6 times 5 is 30. 30 times 4, that's 120. 120 times 3, that will give us 360. So we can form 360 even numbers from this set. Alright, the last part says even number greater than 3000. So here we'll not just be forming an even number, but we'll be forming an even number that is greater than 3000. So when you have a question like this, now an even number must end with, from this question we have 2, 4 and 6, and this number must be greater than 3000. That means the only numbers that can start is 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So what I'll do is you pick out 3 conditions because of these 3 at the unit side. So you bring out 3 conditions, since the reason is this: 4 can start and 4 can finish, but the question says that without repetition. So how do you know if I put 4 here I have to exclude it from here. If I put 6 here, I have to exclude it from here. So because you have these multiple conditions, you have to just spell it out here. So now I'm going to make 3 boxes. Not 3 boxes, 3 sets. So we're looking for a 4-digit number. So that's for the first set. This for the second set. And this is for the third. This is for the third set. Now for the first set, let's assume that 2 will finish. So if 2 is ending this, now here we have all the numbers. We have 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So we have 5 numbers to pick from. So now we've used 2 numbers. We have 5 left. And now we have 4 left. Now let's assume that 4 will fill up this one, so we have only 1 here. Now we have, let's go to this side. The number must be greater than 3000. So if we have used 4 here, we cannot use 4 again. So I have only 4 numbers to pick from. So now I've used 2. I have 5 left, and now I have 4. Now same condition with 6. If we filling this up with 6, that means I cannot use 6 in the unit side. So if I cannot use 6, I can use 3, 4, 5, or 7. That leaves me with only 4 numbers. So after that, the rest can fill up the remaining spaces. So that's how to solve a question like this. So this one is going to give me, now 5 times 5 is 25, times 4, that's 100. Or now 5 times 4 is 20, 20 times 4, that's 80. And we have also 80 here. So the total way will now be 100 plus 80 plus 80, and that leaves me with 260 even numbers greater than 3000. Alright, thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Do have a lovely day.